As we get ready for spring and summer, are you worrying about spider veins? They might keep you from wearing your favorite shorts, skirts, or even swimsuits. Well, now is the time to get rid of those spider veins for good. Maggie Sorden, director of VeinMed Solutions, she is here this morning to tell us about some new technology helping to treat spider veins. Good to see you.
Nice to be here.
So what is VeinMed Solutions?
VeinMed Solutions is an all-service med spa. We do everything from hair transplants to cool sculpting to treating veins and brown spots.
All right, so those are some serious conditions for a lot of people. Of course, spider veins being one of them. What else do you guys treat there?
We do a lot. We do cool sculpting. We now do tattoo removal as well.
Wow.
So you name it, we can take care of it.
So a lot of services under one roof, which
Absolutely.
is nice for a lot of people. Because they don't want to have to bounce around.
That's right.
All right, so this treatment that you're talking about, this new technology for spider veins, does it treat the more serious varicose veins?
No, actually.
Okay.
We stick to just spider veins. But what we can do at any of our locations is actually do an assessment to see if maybe there is a more serious problem like varicose veins. And we can determine that for you.
And you can treat that right there as well.
We can with our sister company.
Okay,
yes.
Wow, that's great. Okay, so let's go back to the spider veins, which is those little thin
little
veins
tiny red or blue little veins. That's right.
So what area can you treat?
We can treat everything from the legs to the face and everything in between.
All right, so this treatment that we're looking at on the screen, the before and after, that's pretty, wow, that's dramatic.
Absolutely. After just a couple treatments, these results are what anybody can expect.
Does the treatment hurt?
No, actually this new technology, what it does is delivers the energy from the laser directly into that vein. So it leaves your surrounding skin intact and untouched, which makes it a little more comfortable and no downtime.
Yeah, and I want to show that nose shot again, because when I first started talking to you about spider veins, I never thought about the nose.
That's right, and that's so common. So many people get those little gin blossoms, they call them, right around the nose, around the cheeks, or on the chin, and it is a very easy, maybe 10 or 15 minute session. Wow. We can get those gone.
And how many sessions do you recommend?
Anywhere between 2 to 5 sessions depending on the person.
So what about the downtime associated with something like this?
No downtime whatsoever. Minimal discomfort, it's in and out, something you can do on your lunch break.
How do you get spider veins?
Mostly genetics, or sometimes spicy foods, alcohol can contribute to those flaring up.
Interesting, because I know you hear about people, ladies especially, when you get pregnant, you start noticing those veins that you don't see that often.
On the legs, and it can absolutely be pregnancy, it can be standing, it could be your lifestyle. There's a lot of different factors.
Do you recommend that you start treating the spider veins? Do they turn into varicose veins? Can it get more serious?
We can usually determine with our sister company, Arizona Vein and Laser, we can determine if there's a more serious problem or if there's something we need to keep an eye on. Somebody who's just has those few spider veins around their ankles or on their calves or on their thighs, typically they can just get relief with the spider vein therapy.
And they're so unsightly. I mean, we kind of talk about the varicose veins because those are bulging veins that can be much more painful. But it is kind of unsightly. We don't want our legs to be.
That's right. You don't want to wear shorts and see all those little red vessels all over.
And it's men and women, isn't it?
Absolutely. I would say about 30% of our practice is men as well.
Right. And we always kind of talk about the ladies, but there's guys out there who wear the shorts as well at the golf course, especially.
Or even on the face. That's right.
That's true, especially here in the nose. Now, you said about 2 to 3 treatments for that area as well.
Depending on the person, absolutely.
And the new technology that you guys are using, it's pretty innovative.
It is. It really allows us to get those veins without causing any other damage to healthy, nice skin.
Right. Is it a machine?
It is. It's a laser.
Okay, so it's a laser treatment.
Laser treatment.
And you said it's not painful?
No,
though.
very, very comfortable.
Very comfortable. All right. Well, I tell you what, get those short shorts out. You can wear them for sure. VeinMed Solutions is offering many of their services right now at 50% off. Plus, you will receive special package pricing for the month of March. VeinMed Solutions has 2 Valley locations. There's one in Chandler and one in Glendale. To book a free consultation, call 480-428-5404, or you can log on to their website, VeinMedSolutions.com.